Hi trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. This is a simple strategy with our Heikin Ashi indicator and our MACD strategy. So you're going to install your Heikin Ashi candles indicator and you're going to install your MACD except you're going to have to remove your signal lines. We're not going to need those. We're going to move that down a little bit, such. All right. This is very simple. We have only two rules. All right. Very simple rules. Number one, if you're looking for a buy, look for a green to pop up on your Heikin Ashi candlesticks, as you can see right here, and it needs to be on the oversold section. Then when it's there, look for a green candle to form as such. You can see a green candle formed over here. Is it here? Yeah, that's it. Followed by a green candle on our MACD. All right, same here as well. You can see we had a nice green candle form when it touched our oversold area, and we had a followed by a green candle from our MACD. That was a nice buy over there. As you can see, we had a nice I think, yeah, that was a nice buy over there. Yeah, those are just the simple rules. And then when it's oversold, when it's overbought, you want to look for sell opportunities. So for example, you can see right now we are overbought right here, and we eventually get a sell on our MACD right here. So we're gonna take a sell, step above the high, and then we're gonna target the low somewhere here. You can see 1 to 3. Those are pretty good risk to rewards. I think we did have a loss here. However, I think we had a loss here. Yeah, we had a loss here. So the key is to keep your stop loss tight. Keep your stop loss tight. Keep your stop loss tight so that you don't lose much. But when you win, you do win much. That was going to be there. So yeah, that's a strategy. Try it out. Let me know how it works in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.